Hey guys, this is Maria from TreeWaySocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use GIF stickers on Instagram story. Instagram users are allowed to add animated stickers to any picture or video in their story. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page and hit the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select the story option. Once the story camera screen opens, take the picture, record the video, or upload the visual from your phone's gallery. Then click on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. Press on the GIF stickers option. Now use the search bar in order to find the GIFs that you would like to add to your story. Keep in mind that you can resize your added GIF sticker and place it anywhere on the screen. What is more, don't forget to use effects, draw or write something on your story. As soon as your story is ready, click on the Send To button and share it to Instagram. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use GIF stickers on Instagram story. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TreeWaySocial.com.